some tires, some new hoops. Got all new hoops on this bad boy. Even the spare. They're called Hercules. Hercules, 80 pounds. I know you can't see nothing there. But we're all proud of them. Got new tires on the truck some months ago. I'm sitting here in front of the tire center. Our wonderful trailer got new hoops. Always in the shade. It's perfectly wrong time of day to do this. Can't see them. But they are called Hercules, and it's always upside down. Hercules. Anyway, very strong, good tires, aggressive. We won't have a blowout for a long time. Thank you, Santa Rosa Tire Center. All right, bye.